Hello everyone, this is our client Mr. Yashwant. We did renovation for their house. Sir, we would like to know your experience with us.
Yeah, when we decided to renovate house, there are multiple aspect of the house which we would like to renovate. One small civil work, bathroom renovation, as well as some of the interior works. So we are trying to figure it out the combined person who can handle this entire work. So what we have done is that we have searched couple of vendors and the people are advised whatever they're given, which is we are not satisfied. And once we reach out to Mr. Pawan, Coucal Interior, then they said that they have capabilities, internal capabilities to handle all the works, and we added the contract. And as per their contract, we they have finished the work, and in between there are some changes which we proposed. That also they have just given respect to that our client relationship. They completed the work. I think they are the one of the good solution for the small houses renovation in terms of apartments. People really need to get into in details, and they have to adhere that work to them and get it done. I think we are a little bit happy on that what the work is got done. Internally, there are some challenges we both have faced, but amicably we discussed and settled, and finally we are able to conclude the work in stipulated time. Thank you.